Stop using AI like it's just an enhanced version of Google. If you're only asking it questions, you're missing 90% of its power. Today, I'm going to show you how to use it as a senior developer to build a fully functional boss battle video game in minutes, even if you've never written a line of code in your life. We start by being clear, not complex. I'm not asking for code, I'm asking for a functional game. Watch this. Write a single HTML file for a Space Invaders clone where I control a tank with arrow keys and shoot with space. Just like that, the AI handles the physics, the rendering, and the logic. Most people stop here. We're just getting started. This is where you stop Googling and start directing. I want a boss fight. I tell the AI, add a mothership at the top that moves side to side and fires a red laser. Notice I didn't have to explain how to calculate the laser's position. The AI already knows the context of the game we're building. Now let's make it look professional. Instead of a red block, I want a glowing mothership with blue lights that turns red when it's taking damage. I also want a health bar pinned right to the ship. In traditional coding, that's an hour of CSS work. For us, it's one sentence. To make this a real challenge, we're setting the boss to 400 HP. But we need to keep the player alive. We'll prompt the AI to drop a repair wrench every 100 hits that heals the barricades. This is the simply prompted secret. You focus on the fun, and let the AI focus on the function. In under 15 minutes, we went from an empty folder to a custom boss battle. AI didn't just find this code for me, it built it with me. If you want to stop searching and start building, hit subscribe to Simply Prompted. Your first challenge? Take this code and try to add a shield power-up. Comment below if you get it to work. Gemini was able to add audio as well. I decided to make this game a little more user-friendly, so I added the pause button. This way I can pause the game whenever I want to. I just had Gemini add the HTML to add the button. I also added a reset button. The extra control of being able to reset the game is a great feature as well. Now, I can play this game, pause and reset as much as I want to. Guess what? You can too. As you see, it's pretty easy making a game like this using AI. This game has simple controls. The spacebar controls the shooting. The left and right arrows control the movement from left to right. You can change these just by asking AI to change them and then converting it to HTML. Here is a special note. If you've never done this before, the HTML coding can be a bit confusing. If AI says to add something to the existing code and you get confused, just have AI regenerate the entire code. Then, just copy it, paste it into a document like Microsoft Notepad, and save your file with a name like Space Shooters, HTML, making sure to save it as all files. Now, just double-click the file. It automatically opens in your browser, like Google Chrome. It's that simple. Now that you have the knowledge, what are you going to make?